Welcome to video number 2. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how you can start earning your daily payday, how you can start getting paid now without any upgrades or anything. All incomes coming in stays in your pocket. This thing is amazing. You've already got your fast start bonus and now you're moving into your daily pay. This is when the app goes to work and you really start making money. Let's take a look at the chart to see how this is going to change your financial situation for life. Moving from the left to the right, we have our system levels, our level costs, our network members, our total income, our level upgrades, and our daily payday deposit. This is your important section because this tells you the money that you're going to be keeping and the money you're going to be able to spend. If you notice right here, it says 00 because there's no more upgrades. Everything stays in your pocket from this point on. So let's get started so you can get out there and start making money. So let's say, for instance, you bring in your next 3 people. Remember, your first 3 people set you up to get your fast start bonus. The next 3 people kicks off this daily payday, guys. So let's say, for instance, you bring in your fresh 3 at $10 each. That's $30 going to you. Nothing coming out because you already on the bronze level from setting it up with your fast start. That means $30 stays in your account, guys. That's amazing. You're in profit mode again, moving into your daily payday. Now, when they upgrade into the silver level, just like you did when you started, that's going to be 25 times those same 3 people. That's $75, guys. Nothing coming out once again because you already on the silver level. $75 moving over into your bank account, which you can spend. When they upgrade into the gold, just like you did at $50 each, time those 3 people, that multiplication will give us $150. From the $150, nothing comes out. Everything stays in your account. That means $150 moves over into your green. That means that's spendable cash for you. When they upgrade into their final level, just like you did to take possession of that platinum, at $100 time those 3 people, that multiplication will give us $300. From the 300, you got it right. Nothing is coming out. It stays in your account. That means 300 moves over to your green for a total of, guys, $555 just from 3 people, guys. 3 people brought you $555. So you've already done some amazing number with your fast start bonus. Now you're looking at making $555 for every 3 people that you bring in using your daily payday app. This thing is amazing. This thing is yours now, and you can get in here and start earning. So do not hesitate. Do not wait. Go down below and finish your steps. Get set up so you can start earning today. Thank you. Have a great day.